But two times multiplier. Double 50. So 5.5, 2.2, K, and 700 euro credits with top 3 winners. Good job. Thank you for some time. You did not like the dress? No way. Why is that? I kind of like that dress. Let's go. Good luck. I thought it's really fun to go to pachinko with it, but still. 5 cents crazy time. Why? Tell me why. Crazy time, crazy time. Stop, 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 please. I beg you, stop. We got crazy time. Hey, go. Crazy time it is. With the 5x multi. Woo! Come on. Come on. Let's go, guys. The biggest deal in the world. Once again. Woo! Crazy time. Let's do this. Let's get it. 5 times multiplier. Let's go. Woo! Let's multiply all those multis. Sounds really interesting though. But you know what I mean. Let's go. Now you need to make a decision. Choose your flapper. The green, blue, or the yellow one. Come on. Most of the players go for the blue one. Highest multiplier, 500x. Let's spin it like we mean it. Let's get those doubles, triples. Come on. 150, and we have a double on the yellow one. Let's double those multis. Woo! Come on, and highest 1000x. Woo! Let's spin it. Oh my guys, are you worried? Can you imagine we're gonna land another double or triple now? That would be insane. Come on! It's a double again! That's gonna be, ladies and gentlemen, 2000x, the highest multi! Let's push it, good luck! Let's spin the wheel! Woo! Bring it on! Oh my! Can you imagine not the double or a triple? Now that will be insane. 300x! Or 300x on the yellow one! Come on! Oh, have a time. No. You love it. The nickname or... Welcome to the Crazy Time. Thank you for joining, ladies and gentlemen. Crazy Club. It's Cavill here. Well, not anymore. You don't like it anymore. Let's play out the block. So guys, Crazy Club. It's Cavill here. Bets customers, man. Good luck. 5 times pachinko on the top slots. We haven't landed a single pachinko once game this test yet, so maybe it's about the time with the 5x multi on the top slot. That would be awesome. Come on, give us that pachinko, please. Come on, please. Stop, I beg you. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a pachinko. Let's go. Woo! Okay, guys. Finally. So, give us those multis, something juicy, please. 7. More. 10, 15, 20, 35, 40, 50, 100, and a double 5x multiplier, so there's gonna be 5 times all this is what we saw, yeah, so the highest mean is, highest is, well, 500x, no, actually, 1,000, no, wait a second, what is the highest multiplier, guys? The highest multiplier is 500x, yeah, so goody luck to everybody, whee, good luck, oh my. Guys and boys, I don't want even to look in the wall. Okay, come on, you're going, yes, exactly there. Now, double 50. Evgenia, thank you for sending hearts in the chat. Good luck, everybody, and next 2 rounds. By the way, Evgenia, hello to you, hello to all the newcomers. Welcome to the crazy time. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. And yes, 4 bonus rounds. Remember, coin flip, cash, and pitch and go to crazy time. 2x and a coin flip it is from Sasa. Biggie, I have fallen in love with you, Signa. Hey, Biggie, don't fall. Biggie, don't fall. Better stand on your feet. Biggie, you know, you still need your feet, so that's why don't fall, sweetie. Stand on your feet. Stand against our love. That is a coin flip, ladies and gentlemen, with a 2 times multiplier. Yeah. You got to stand on your love. Mm-hmm. Okay, we got to set to the coin flip side. Yes, hello, everybody. My name is Signa, and live from the crazy town, we have a coin flip commercial break right now. So it looks like we got a coin blue side and a red side. Feels like I'm selling something. Okay, let's see, 2x on that blue. Ooh, 100x on that red, but 2 times multiplier. 4x on that blue, 200x on that red. Good luck, everybody. Woo! Yeah! 200x, baby, on that red side. Yeah! Congratulations to the winners out there. 2,872 winners out there. Super bad. Carly J. It's Holders out there. Great job. Super bad. 23,648 euros go to you. Ow, ow! When we go coin flip, we go hard. Woo!
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for